Hi, my name is Scott Wiley and I'm out here in Pennsylvania. Thought I'd play in the playground a little bit today. I just want to take a minute or two and show you the things I like about the Mark 7 Shopsmith table saw and things I can do with it capacity-wise and ease of operation. So you can see in the background I have some extensions set up for guiding the material as it comes through and supporting it. What I plan on doing is ripping an 8-foot piece of 1/2-inch plywood, and I'll cut it down to some dimensions, and then for the process of building some pull-out trays for underneath my Shopsmith Mark 7. Along with that, then I'm going to rip a couple of pieces of 3/4 inch pine to get that down to size, and then to show the ease of operation, I'm going to change over and put in a dado blade and cut a rabbet, just so you can see the ease of operation and the speed at which we can do that. So let's go ahead and get started and get the machines cranked up. So here's a look at some of the final product that we just cut. The plywood and the 1x3s there. You can see nice clean cut on the rabbets. Fit nicely into that 1/2 inch plywood. See, it's pretty nice. And the work that I did yesterday, I actually cut a dado in this one, and you can see that that plywood fits in nice and snug and looks pretty tight. So it looks like it should come together pretty nicely. So I'll be using pocket hole screws to tie everything together, and a little bit of glue, but I think we're ready to go. So again, hope you enjoyed this video, and we shall talk to you later. Thanks.